Welcome to Mr. McWiz Science Fun, and I'm Mr. McWiz. This video is to mainly give teachers and homeschooling parents the opportunity to learn many experiments that I have done over many years of teaching. The children can see the wonders of science that's all around them and get pretty excited to learn more. With many of our experiments, we will offer lab sheets like this that you can obtain on our website so that they can record their measurements and their data and their observations and be more scientific in their whole investigation of science. We want to ask a lot of questions. We want you to ask a lot of questions when you do these demonstrations and experiments with your children. We find that the Socratic method of asking questions is the best way to teach your students or children. And what would happen if we turn it at an angle again? Would it stay there? Absolutely. And then you say, well, would it work with a nickel? Would it work with a penny? Would it work with a quarter? And you get them even to measure with a yardstick or a meter stick how high up it is, based on a dime, a nickel, a penny, a quarter, whatever you want. And for the older kids, they could actually graph out in centimeters how high that is off of the tabletop. Pretty interesting experiment with some pretty simple material, don't you think? Now let me show you graphically what you've just seen demonstrated. Two, one, and take your hand away, and like magic, the water stays right there. But what would happen if I put this down and it actually goes down lower than the other side? Then you'd say that air has weight. You'll be surprised, many kids and even adults will say that ball will go up as you push down. Watch what happens. You push down and the ball goes all the way down to the bottom. What pushes the ball all the way to the bottom? Air.